Now little C has started crowing as well. Come on, little C. There she goes, see? Her one's so faint. Come on, big C. Can you hear the difference? Oh, I love it, man. I've got such a big smile on my face. I feel like a Cheshire cat. Oh, I love my life. I really do. What a way to wake up every morning, though. Oh, my God. It is a complete blessing. It really is. I love it all. I really do. Even though it is raining. Yay, little C. Come on, big C. Nah, I think he's all crowed out right now. Anyway. There he goes. Good on him. Good on him. It's like a little song going between them. I wonder what they're saying. I wonder if they're talking to each other. My crow's bigger than your crow. Love it, baby blue. Love it.